Hey everyone, welcome to Miss May Bow Studio. If you like this video, subscribe for more hair accessory tutorials and ideas. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to make your own hair bow using vegan leather. For this project, you will need a Cricut machine, pink Cricut mat, some vegan leather, a silicone non-stick mat, and a hot glue gun. Let's begin in Design Space. I made this bow design and have included the link in the description below so you can find it easily. When you are making a bow, be sure to measure it in advance to decide how big you want your design. I have changed the size of the design so it works for my project. In this case, this bow is for a girl, so it's 3 inches wide. My design is ready to go. So I press Make It. I will be cutting these out on a mat. Now I just have to set my base material. Make sure you select Browse All Materials and choose Faux Leather. For Cricut Explore Air 2 and older, make sure you switch the dial to Custom first. For this project, I'll be using vegan leather in this beautiful heart print. If you haven't used vegan leather before, there are 2 different sides. First, there's the smooth side with your design or the color that you're using and that you'd like your bow to look. And then there's the back side, which is plain. I'll put the leather down on a pink colored mat and make sure that I have the smooth side facing down. I'll use my brayer to stick the leather material down smoothly to the mat. If you're using a Cricut Explore or a Cricut Maker, be sure to move all the star wheels to the right-hand side of your machine. Now I'll pop it in to be cut. Next, I use my weeder tool and hand to pull off the excess material carefully. Now I'm ready to adhere. Put down either a non-stick glue gun pad or a paper towel. The first thing I need to do is remove any loose fibers where the adhesive will go. You can use a lint roller or remove them by hand. Now I can adhere my bow using my hot glue gun. For this type of material, it's best to use Gorilla Glue. For best results, heat to 200 degrees Celsius. Prep your material by flipping it over and give it a quick dab of glue. Now you can place the material in position for adhering by lining up the 2 flaps. I'll check to make sure the flaps match, overlapping in the same place, and then adhere or stick the 2 sides together. Simply flip it over and glue down any remainder pieces as required for your design. To wrap your bow, simply cut a rectangle with scissors out of your faux leather. And just like that, this bow is done and ready to go. Thanks for watching. I hope this video is the inspiration you needed to get started. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe for more hair accessory tutorials and ideas.